Cities are changing faster than ever. Climate, flooding, heat, housing shortages, but the data that explains all of it is scattered across dozens of government sites, reports, and GIS platforms. We asked, what if anyone could type in an address and instantly understand both its current conditions and its future's risk? That's Urban Pilot. For here, our example, we use downtown Berkeley. Urban Pilot pulls the actual site data and grounds everything in verified public data. And so behind the scenes, specialized AI agents go to work in parallel: housing, climate, and accessibility, each grounded in real data sets. The census, FEMA flood layers, 511 transit feeds, tree canopy data, and live weather and air quality. So here I'll do a suggested goal: add housing near transit, and I'll click to analyze. You could also see a street view of your chosen address. So it takes a while to load and analyze, but as that gets analyzed, we have the coordinator agent, climate agent, accessibility agent, housing agent, and the urban design agent. That all synthesizes public repositories, data sets, and government-backed platforms to synthesize data to create suggestions on an area to improve. In this case, downtown Berkeley. All right. So after some time, we've now gone to the post-analysis dashboard. And so in seconds, we'll get a full read: climate risk, flood risk, heat vulnerability, housing conditions, transit access, and community resilience for this exact address, so which is downtown Berkeley, which is preset. But you could add any address as you fit in the Berkeley Oakland area. So currently we have verified current conditions of temperature, air, FEMA zone, tree canopy, transit, and median rent in this area. And so here's what we're most proud of: trust. Urban Pilot clearly labels what's measured public data versus what's an AI generated estimate. So there's no hallucinations dressed up as facts. Every recommendation that we provide comes back from an accurate source. And if you want to take the data and methodology, you could look, you could scroll down and look. It's all verified from its retrospective data sets. You can also ask Urban Pilot AI if you have any questions, such as what are the verified data sets to get this information? And an Urban Pilot AI will think about it and it will provide all the verified data sets, providing all the analysis in a condensed manner. And so now the biggest question is, how does this place change over time? So currently, you can check this neighborhood right now, and our planning goal was add housing near transit. So this is the transit area. And so for the year 2040, we can scroll down and visualize a proposed streetscape. So it'll take a while to visualize. We use Midjourney to photo generate our predictions and models. And so as and our agents created a prompt based on data, um, as well as the actual image um, that Google provides on their maps, map streets. So this is the current prediction through Midjourney when asked adding housing near transit. So it projected scenario changes like more tree canopy, access new housing units added, affordable unit share, and the median gross rent increasing over time. And so we all built this to scale. The agents run in parallel for speed, and we engineered context compression that cut token usage by over 20%. So so this works across entire districts, not just one address. So we so it could work on anywhere in Berkeley. So so to end it off, we took five public data sets, geospatial analysis, and a multi-agent AI system, and turned a simple address into clear, trustworthy planning insight for residents, planners, and policymakers alike. Urban Pilot, bringing public data and public understanding.